guys, what's up? This is Prachi and today's video is going to be another one of my first impressions video where I'll be trying out a brand new product and sharing my experience with you guys. Now first of all, let me show you how my hair is looking up close. Usually my hair does not look so bad, but if you might remember, last week I was in Goa and sand, beaches, swimming pool, chlorine water can really do this to your hair very quickly. So right now my hair is looking a little limp, a little dry and very sad. So I think I can say that I'm doing this experiment more for myself than for anything else today because it just seems like the perfect time. So this Kundal Ke hair spa is by Amrutam and this product has been getting such amazing reviews online. People have been talking about it, bloggers have been raving about it. And just to clarify, this is not a sponsored video. I have actually picked up these products on my own because I just wanted to try it out and I kind of need it right now. If it actually does what it claims to do, it would be absolutely fantastic. So there are two variants. I just quickly want to show you both the variants before getting started. So the first one is the Kuntal Care Hair Spa for better sleep and relaxation, which also contains hemp. So this is something which contains hemp, and this is for, like something which is supposed to help you with your hair troubles and also with your sleep and relaxation troubles. It's supposed to help you relax better. And the one which I'll be trying out today is a Kuntal Care Hair Spa do-it-yourself hair treatment. And this product also claims to be 100% Ayurvedic. And if you actually look at the ingredient list, to be very honest, this is the biggest reason why I wanted to try this out so badly. If you look at the ingredient list, it's actually very convincing. It has ingredients like Bhringraj, it has ingredients like Amla, it has ingredients like Sitafal, olive oil and so many other amazing things. It also has a textbook name mentioned over here to prove that this is genuinely an Ayurvedic product. So I'm just gonna try this out. By the way, before I move ahead, this product is also available in a smaller bottle, in a smaller variant. So if you want a smaller sized pack, or if you just want to try it out for the first time because you don't know if it will work for you or not, you can simply go for the smaller size pack, because obviously then you will end up saving money also and just trying it out for yourself. So let me start by first, let me just open the packaging and let's see how this thing smells, and we'll just take it from there, okay? So this is the Kuntal Care Hair Spa do-it-yourself hair treatment, which I have just mentioned. And so guys, I have to say this has an Ayurvedic fragrance, definitely not a chemical fragrance at all. Minty fragrance and definitely refreshing. I'm quite assured that this thing does not contain any wrong ingredients because this fragrance is totally Ayurvedic. Okay, so for today's video guys, what I'll be doing is I'll be trying out, I'll be using the smaller bottle because I also want to see how much of the product I end up using. That way you'll get an idea of how many uses you can get out of a big bottle. So I'll be using the small bottle to give you an idea of the uses, okay? So I'm just gonna take this on my palms. Actually, let me just see how I'm supposed to use it. I'm supposed to take it, yep. Just apply it all over the hair and all over the roots to the tips. The formula is slightly sticky, not sticky, I think. It's just not a watery formula, but it's not like a cream formula either. It's somewhere in the middle. So something like a lotion, I would say. And by the way guys, whenever you're using these kind of products for yourself, be it a hair mask, a hair pack or this hair spa formula, I would suggest that make sure that your scalp is not very dirty. Alright, so like for example, I actually have already shampooed my hair yesterday in the morning. So my scalp is not really dirty. Make sure that your scalp is not dirty, because if your scalp and your hair is really dirty, the product will not be able to give its benefits. So my hair is creating problems, but it's not dirty. Now, applying this is easy guys, just very easy to apply. Because it's not like heavy, it's not heavy like oil. You don't actually have to spread this too much. Alright, so I'm just going to skip ahead a little bit and show you a close-up shot of how I'm applying this, which makes more sense. Alright guys, so done applying this all over my hair and scalp, and this was honestly so easy because first of all, like I said, the consistency is very good. It's not too watery, because of which it doesn't keep dripping everywhere and creating too much of mess. I hate it when that happens. And it's not too heavy also, so you don't have to work too hard or just kind of like work with it too hard. Anyways, so guys, the point is I am going to have to leave this on for about 30 to 40 minutes and then wash it off. However, if you want, you can also leave this overnight. I mean overnight. That sounds very interesting because you don't really get certain products these days which you can leave overnight also. Maybe I'll try that out some other time, but for today I'll be just leaving it on for about 30 to 40 minutes and washing it off. So just keep watching this video guys to see how this process unfolds. Alright guys, so done washing my hair, done with the entire process, and honestly my hair is feeling so soft, so lovely. Let me show this to you up close first. So this is how my hair is looking right now guys. Do you believe the transformation? I literally just used this once. In the beginning of the video, I mean, like honestly I woke up this morning and I was like, I need to do something about my hair because Goa, beaches, sand, it can really impact your hair for a long time, and of course swimming pool and chlorine water. So this has been an absolutely amazing transformation, very quick. One thing I want to quickly mention guys, so when I stepped into the shower, right after I stepped into the shower, I noticed that the water completely the water completely washes this thing off very fast, almost instantly. It's not like you have to do a lot of massage, a lot of hard work to get this off your hair and off your scalp. It actually washes off very fast with water. However, it is mentioned on the packaging that you need to do shampoo and you need to condition your hair. So I did follow it up with a shampoo and conditioner process, but I used very little conditioner. I did a bit of cheating because I actually wanted to see what the product itself does to my hair. And yeah, I am very satisfied. Also, just to let you know, so I use the 30 ml bottle, right, like you noticed in the beginning, because I just wanted to see how much of the product I end up using. So I ended up using about 15 ml of the product, which is like half the bottle, so that should be about 15 ml of the product. So I guess for short thin hair like mine, something like this 200 ml bottle will last for a very long time. If you have longer, thicker hair, of course the number of uses you get out of it will vary accordingly. This one bottle costs rupees 499, and if you get even 10 hair spas out of it, it's easily like 49 rupees for one hair spa. And honestly, the ingredient list and the convenience of using this at home, it's absolutely amazing. So you save money, get beautiful hair. Oh my god, I am so impressed with this product guys. So yes, I'll share the link for this one in the description box below, and also like I mentioned in the beginning, they have another variant which is the Kuntal Care Hair Spa for better sleep and relaxation. This is the hemp hair spa. They have this variant as well, which costs rupees 1199. Let me know if you want me to do a separate video talking about this product and just like trying this out as well. So maybe I can tell you the difference between this one and what happens, although I can't imagine my hair looking better than this honestly. So yeah, that's all I want to share guys. All the links in the description box below, along with all the details that I might have missed out in this video today. And yes, if you found this video useful, if you discovered something nice and awesome, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.